Short tile demo jobs can often be done without renting heavy machinery if you use targeted, efficient hand methods. Start by scoring the grout lines with a grout saw or a stiff utility knife to interrupt tile adhesion and reduce the chance of whole tiles shattering. Use a cold chisel and a small lump hammer held at a low angle to pry up ceramic tiles in a controlled way rather than smashing them. Place the chisel at the edge of a tile and tap gently until the tile lifts, working outward so you only remove a few pieces at a time. A multi-tool fitted with a carbide grout or tile scraping blade gives fast, accurate removal in corners and near fixtures where a hammer would be clumsy. Keep the tool on a low speed and use short passes to avoid gouging the substrate. For vinyl or glued tiles, apply low heat with a heat gun from about 6 to 8 inches away until the adhesive softens. Then slide a stiff putty knife under the edge and work the tile up slowly. If adhesive strings form, reheat and cut them with the knife rather than pulling hard. Handheld scrapers and floor scrapers with a hooked blade are ideal for patch jobs on smaller floors because they let you apply steady leverage and feel for when you have reached the underlayment, preventing punctures. Always wear eye protection, a dust mask, and thin cut-resistant gloves, and keep a small pry bar, a set of replacement blades, and a flat wood block to protect surrounding tiles. Clear debris frequently so you see adhesion points and stop when you encounter cracked or rotted substrate that needs professional repair. Common mistakes include trying to remove an entire tile in one hit, which risks cracking adjacent tiles and injuring yourself. Instead, make several small controlled taps and work from the edges. Another issue is overheating vinyl or using excessive force, which can melt materials and spread adhesive residue, so use gentle heat and patience and scrape in short passes. A third frequent problem is not protecting surrounding surfaces and fixtures, which leads to chips and gouges. Use masking tape, a scrap board as a shield, and keep tools angled away from nearby tiles and trim. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like this by letting us share job details and find local help when a patch job becomes bigger than expected. We also host a discussion community where we exchange tips, ask about tricky substrates, and help contractors find work through leads posted by homeowners.